I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with.
Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in back to our channel. So this week we're going to be doing a curly wig, or we're going to be installing a curly wig. This is a 10-inch jerry curl. It got 4 combs inside, 1 at the back, 1 in the middle, and 2 on both sides. Bouncy soft curls, like really soft curls. It is glueless, however you can wear glue with it if you like. The knots are perfectly bleached, super natural. You can part the hair any way you want. It is a transparent lace, however I did tint it to my color skin tone. And there's also the dips as well, if you guys can see that closely. What's this? Also adjustable straps, so you can tighten it however you feel. So yeah, and also there's that little piece of lace at the back. And my favorite part of the wig, that it's 6 inches lace base on the front. It's like perfect, you can wear it anyhow. So we are using the Got2b. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. If you're enjoying this video so far, why don't you consider subscribing to our channel? Join the Bella Force, it's free and you won't miss out on our future uploads. So we're using the Got2b Glue Breeze Spray. You know when you're looking for that hold, but not like longer than 3 days? Sometimes 4 days. So yeah, I didn't really want to use glue, and I really wanted to show you guys how I do it with Got2b spray. There's also the gel. I haven't actually used it, but I've heard like so many bad reviews that I just decided not to even try using the gel. But if you are using the gel and it works for you, you can carry on using that. So just smooth it out like how I'm doing, to you know, kind of help with help the spray with laying it down properly. Sorry, I got distracted. So yeah, you can also use, actually I've used this gel, this L'Oreal gel. Before I started using the Got2b spray, I used to use the gel, the L'Oreal, what is it called? It's the extreme hold. I used to use that. It's okay. It just used to dry like very slowly, and like, yeah, I couldn't. So with the spray, it dries pretty quick, and it really does like give you that hold. So as you can see, I'm cutting out the lace. Don't be afraid to cut out some of the hair, because sometimes it won't like just lay perfectly according to your natural hairline. So you can just cut it how your natural hairline lays, and you don't want to cut it straight. You just kind of want to cut it like zigzags. So there's a little piece there. Just want to lay that down, put a little bit on the needle, and voila. And then here comes the fun part, the baby hairs. So I like to just section out the baby hairs. You don't really want them too thick. So I noticed on my right side that like the hairline was a little bit thicker than the other side. So you can just pluck that out. The wig is already plugged, but I just didn't want to. I don't want like it extra thin, you know. I wanted like a full hairline. But yeah, you can plug however you feel. If you feel like, you know what, you want to go for that extremely thin hairline, then you can plug more than what I did. So now I'm using the foam lotion. You can just put as much as you can, basically, and shaping the baby hairs. So I realized, you know, I tried to be cute and use like a, you know, much cleaner toothbrush, but you know what, my old one always works best. The bristles are like super thick, and it's kind of stiff because it's old. but it works. So try and get like a tiny brush with thick hard bristles for your, what is this, for your edges. I think I should get like, what's this, edge control brush. But yeah, anyway, the toothbrush still works. So I can't even explain like how do you actually do this, but I think it's like just like the more you watch someone do it, I think that's how you learn. That's how I learned. But yeah, you just keep, you know, doing the swirls. I think the trick is like not to take out a lot of hairs, and that's why I keep plucking as I go along, because it looks like, I mean, you already know it's not my hair, but we still try to make it look natural as possible. So if your baby hairs are like super thick, then it just looks blah, you know. But then again, you don't want them super thin that it looks like, okay, like your frontal is balding, or you know. As you can see, I keep checking the other side to make sure that it looks the same. And I noticed like on my forehead, it didn't really stick properly. But anyway, the wrap lotion will stick that down once I tie down my edges. So yeah. So basically, what the wrap lotion does, it like molds the hair, right? Like that's how I always use it when I'm making like a pot. It helps keep that pot, you know. So yeah, do my sideburns. Sideburns are cute, especially on curly hair. I feel like baby hairs look super cute on curly hair, but I mean, we do it on straight hair as well. So yeah, so I just add a little bit more of the wrap lotion just to soften it a bit, and then you have to tie it down. Like this step is crucial. And then of course you go over with your blow dryer. The heat has to be on medium, not cold. And then use a scarf for like 10 minutes or so. So then here's the big reveal. Like, how perfect are those? So perfect. So I use the same toothbrush, but without the wrap lotion. Just use any brush to kind of soften them up, comb it out, because you do not want hard baby hairs. Like, hard baby hairs are so 2001. So you want soft baby hairs. You don't want them to like stick on your forehead. You know, that's what I mean. So you comb it out. So the wrap lotion, you know, it kind of molds them. We put the wrap lotion to mold the baby hairs, not to stick them down. So yeah, just a little cut over there. You know, when you treat your wig as you wig your natural hair, it just looks so much better. So naturally, you would cut off the end of your hair, right? So yeah, you would do the same with your wig as well. Just a natural cut, nothing too serious. How cute is that? Not me, the hair, I swear. So you just want to blow dry that. I did put just a little bit of the wrap lotion so I can keep that part. Like, look how natural that part looks. So natural. Add a little bit of water. That's just plain water. I didn't add conditioner to it. So here you go. That's my final look. And I didn't want to go for like a flat look, but of course, if you want to go for the water wave look, you can add just more water mixed with conditioner. or mousse. Thank you guys for watching, and here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.